Good morning. If you have decided to study and you want to become a professional hypnotherapist, keep watching our training videos about clinical hypnosis. Hypnotherapy is an effective technique with which you can help and improve the quality of life of a great number of your future patients. Remember, read the description of this video where you can find a link to free training classes on clinical hypnosis. And also, you can download several ebooks also free. The information in this video is extracted from our book Direct Clinical Hypnosis, Deep Hypnosis, of our publisher Clinical Hypnotherapy, registered with ISBN. Secondary exercises in Direct Clinical Hypnosis. The sponge and safety exercise. Exercise of the sponge. Exercise to improve study techniques. When the student is in hypnosis, we loop him or her, assuming the subject is history. As the minutes pass, the hours, the days, you are going to be like a sponge that absorbs all the knowledge with great ease, so that you are going to achieve your objective, which is to get an excellence in the subject of history. Now, I want you to repeat to yourself, as the minutes pass, the hours, the days, I'm going to be like a sponge that absorbs everything. A little sponge that, just like water absorbs, I am going to absorb all the knowledge with great ease, in such a way that I will achieve the proposed objective, which is to get a B in history. Well, this technique would be to improve the study, but then we face the exam, the anxiety of the exam. Therefore, in a second session, we can introduce the following exercise. All the steps are the same, only the student writes and reads. It would be advisable to do this exercise every day for a week before the exam. Safety exercise. Then, when I go outside, I will feel the gentle breeze as I walk, approaching the classroom. I will feel at ease, in control. As I approach the exam venue, my body will feel stronger, more confident, feeling the confidence in my legs as I walk, in my eyes as I see, in my heart as it beats, in my memory, in my understanding, feeling more and more confident and more sure of myself. I feel calm and confident because I know that I have prepared very well for the exam. Everything I have learned is prepared in my mind so that I can easily remember it during the exam. I have full confidence in my abilities, so I will do very well in the exam. Repeat every day with a short self-hypnosis exercise. Improved versions, the sponge. Now, as the minutes go by, the hours, the days, you're going to be a very good candidate for the exam. You are going to be like a sponge that absorbs all knowledge with great ease. You absorb everything that is said to you. From now on, you have a great facility to learn, to understand, to memorize, so that you are going to achieve your goal, the goal of finishing your studies. From now on, you absorb like a sponge everything they tell you and teach you in class. Now you have more capacity to study, to learn, to understand. Now you see everything easier and more understandable. Now, as the minutes pass, the hours, the days, you are going to be like a sponge that absorbs all the knowledge with great ease. You absorb everything that they tell you. From now on, you have a great facility for learning, for understanding, for memorizing. and to retrieve any data from your memory, so that you will achieve your goal, the goal of expanding, enhancing, and retrieving memory. From now on, you have more capacity to memorize and retrieve data from your memory. Now you see everything easier and more understandable. Now you have a much easier time remembering, storing, and retrieving memory. Now, as the minutes go, the hours, the days, you're going to be like a sponge that absorbs all the knowledge with great ease. You absorb everything they say to you. From now on, you have a great facility to learn, to understand, to memorize. So we are going to achieve your objective, the objective of increasing and strengthening your memory. From now on, you absorb like a sponge everything that you are told and taught. Now you have more capacity to retain, to learn, to understand. Now you see everything more easily and comprehensively. If you're interested in learning more about clinical hypnosis, watch our next video. Secondary exercises in direct clinical hypnosis, the middle and the George. Remember, read the description of this video where you can find a link to free training classes on clinical hypnosis, and also you can download several ebooks also free. If you have any questions, add them in the comment area. On this topic and many others we will talk about in the videos that we'll publish. So if you're interested, do not miss our next videos. Thank you very much.